Thanks for watching this video. Today I'll talk about JavaScript from Validator. How to get a valid JavaScript from. These topics I'll not show any core code. My code will link inside this description. If anyone is interested, please click this link. I will try to make a JavaScript framework. If anyone is interested to help, please join us and post your JavaScript built-in class for upgrade our framework. We include our framework JavaScript from Validator, which is our first solution. Now let's try it. We create our from Validator on this index.php page, and our from Validator library is there. That is valid.js. This link I show up. There is our from Validator library code. Log.js is our JavaScript module script. First we create an HTML from templates. That is it. We know you have good knowledge to create HTML templates, so I should skip this. That is our HTML from templates. I skip this coding, open it with a browser. That is our HTML templates. Now I will create a JavaScript validator. Open the index.html file and link to log.js inside the index.html file. Open the browser and check. Press F12 and console. Yes, this link is worked. Import valid.js with input method. Create an object. Their first method name is HTML from name. The request method is two types, on HTML and another Ajax. Method class is HTML class attributes. The default class must be inside the from tag. You must need three attributes in the from tag, that is method, action and name. Now I try this object inside the valid class. The check function is a function that used for from validity check. I see an error, that is a temporary error. I will fix it when all function is set. While select an input object is fixed and create a click event, then all error is gone. Create a click event, set a test class, check click event is work or not. Yes, this click event is perfectly worked. Now I check the output variable. Now object input method declare the input array, their class variable is always the error class. If any error is faced, then the error class read a message. Now select from declare. Yes, this value is perfectly work. Look at that, each of the event is blank, therefore a error face. Now I try to remove the error, therefore I put the value. If request method set HTML, then HTML request send like as HTML from submit. If you set AJAX request, then you face a AJAX request. That is not perfectly AJAX request. We must be create a AJAX request. If you use jQuery, then use jQuery AJAX request. The object method inside you set request type AJAX, then the from valid check only output the array. This array have more than each of the array have more than 5 to 6 variable. Oops. Sorry, the variable name is error is check. I will set wrong variable, therefore I face this error. Okay, that is right. I create a AJAX request with core JavaScript. Again try a HTML request. I will set AJAX request in blank comment. and set ajax and remove request type set HTML. Okay, the HTML request is perfectly work.